Hello, I want to start off by offering our absolute solidarity to the community centre that has been burnt down. And I want to say to those people that believe that they can divide our society by using racism and division, that they will ultimately fail. We were told that the BNP were going to march down to the cenotaph. They did not. We were told that the EDL will march in Walthamstow. They did not. We were told that they would go to Tower Hamlets and divide black and white, Jew and Muslim. They did not. And that's our message to those people. We will not let the racists divide us. And it's important that we make that message. And I tell you why. When you look across in France and you see the Front National standing as a so-called legitimate government, saying that when Muslims pray in the street, it's the same as when Nazis occupied France, it's a disgrace. Those people have got no right to be in government. Nick Griffin has got no right to be an MEP. And I say this, when the EDL put on their website, they refused to condemn the attack that took place on this mosque. We know why they refused to condemn it, because they warn attacks like this, they warn division in our streets, and they will not succeed because we will stand together against them. And I'll end up with this. Always. I will end up on this. My teacher was a Holocaust survivor from when the Nazis went into Poland. And he told me that the lesson is that they started off by burning down synagogues. And when they burnt down the synagogues, the question was how people came together. I say that we will never let history repeat itself. Our message is never again. And we want to make sure that in Europe, that the attacks on Muslims stop. We will never allow an attack to take place on the level of the Holocaust. We say never again. Never again. And we will build back the mosque, and we'll continue to build a unity in our community, and we'll centre. It's a centre for everybody, and we'll make sure that our community isn't divided, and we'll make sure that the EDL, the BNP, the Nazis that want to destroy our society go back into the dustbin of history where they belong.
Thank you. And the next speaker is Niall O'Connor